Hi, my name is Bianca. I'm Dr. Struck's nurse. I'm going to go over what to expect after you have liposuction, either that's with fat grafting or BBL or not. One day after liposuction, you can go home, you can shower, take your girdle or your faja off, go ahead, rinse everything off. You're going to have little bandages that cover your incision points with a stitch underneath. That band-aid can come off one day after your procedure. Those stitches come out at about 5 to 7 days after. They typically are a dissolving stitch, so if they come out before we get to them, it's no problem, they're doing their job. It's important to note that liposuction is not a weight loss procedure, so your weight is probably not going to change that much. What liposuction is, it's a sculpting procedure. So those areas that are a little bit stubborn that we've worked on that aren't going away, it's going to resculpt them. If you're doing fat grafting, so taking fat from an area, putting it in either the hip dips or the booty area, doing a BBL, Brazilian butt lift, what you want to do is you want to kind of baby that fat grafting. Fat is a live cell, so we need that fat to survive in order for it to produce the results that we're hoping for. In order to do that, you do want to stay off of the area that we are fat grafting. So if you are sitting for work, try to use a BBL pillow. If you don't have a BBL pillow, you can roll a blanket and put it right underneath the very top of the upper thigh. And that way the majority of your weight is not on the actual booty. That's going to give plenty of circulation to the bum and hope that those fat cells survive. After your procedure, wearing your faja or your girdle is super important. You want to wear the girdle or the faja for at least 6 weeks. And anything you do more than that is just going to give you better results. Final results from a liposuction or a BBL are going to take about 3 to 6 months until we judge it completely. You will be swollen for a while, so that faja is going to help shape you, and the more you wear it, the better. If you want, you can do massages. After you do liposuction, it is a good idea if you do post-operative lymphatic massages. What those do is they kind of move the extra swelling around your body, and you end up actually peeing that swelling out. So the massage therapist should be trained. If you have a question on where you should go, you can always ask us. We have a few girls that we use that we can recommend that have been doing these massages for a while. It is not necessary to do, but you will get faster results if you do the lymphatic massages. Liposuction is a great additive with every procedure, whether you're doing boobs, facelift. We love liposuction, but we are excited to see your results. It's going to take a few months to see the final results, but we're excited to see them.